Welcome back to Aegis Armors, everybody. This week we're looking at this 2021 Mustang Mach E in this gorgeous red color, as you can see. Starting off, just like every other vehicle we do here at Aegis, we did our full paint correction process. You wouldn't suspect it, but even with vehicles this new, it needs paint correction. There still are some scratches in there. But yeah, after the paint correction, we put our Aegis Armors 5-year ceramic coating on there. As you can see, it brings that gloss level up a lot, as well as it's going to make it hydrophobic and super easy to wash now. So the maintenance is going to be a breeze, and we'll have to pay any detailers to do anything. Other than the paint, we did all of the glass on this vehicle. As you can see, it brings that gloss level up a lot as well, and it's going to make it super easy to see during the rain. You won't even have to use windshield wipers. Other than the glass though, we did our wheels and our Aegis Armors heavy duty coating. It's going to bring that gloss level up as well and make it super easy to clean all the brake dust off. And then last but not least, you can see the Aegis Armors Black Widow tire shine on those tires, just to tie it all together, give it that proper finish. And yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the video, everybody. Thanks.
What we talk about with every video on every vehicle is how to wash them and maintain them. Every couple of weeks, you'll take a pressure washer, you'll rinse the vehicle off. You use our Aegis Armor Foam Curie or Spectrum, which is ceramic-based soap, or a combination of the two. We'll apply these with a foam cannon, let it sit for about a minute, rinse it off, and then take a leaf blower and dry the vehicle. No touch, no scratch. About once every 2 to 3 months, you'll do a physical 2-bucket hand wash in the vehicle, using grit guards, of course, in your buckets. After that is when you'll use our Aegis Armor Renew product. And this product is designed to basically maintenance and boost the ceramic on the vehicle. That's the only thing you need to use on the vehicle after it has the ceramic coating put on it. It can be used on the glass, the wheels, or the paint. We've also got some other do-it-yourself products if anybody's interested in doing those. One of the things we get out with every vehicle that we do is a guide. It has a quick do and don't, whether you're going through a car wash or doing a hand wash. So if you have any questions, Give us a call, 336-570-9790. We'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Looking to get on the schedule. We usually stay booked out about 2 to 3 weeks. Have a great day.